Hi guys, my name is Aman Jacamos.
And my name is Del Clark Saitarios.
My blog script is A Day in the Life of Two Custom Brokers. Visual: Leah and Ben sitting at adjacent desk in a small office, smiling at the camera. On-screen text: Licensed Custom Brokers, Leah and Ben. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog today. We're showing you what a real day looks like for us as custom brokers here in Manila.
I'm Ben, and this is Leah. We've been working together for 2 years. Our job: make sure shipments come in legally and do it the right way. Let's go.
Quick clip of them grabbing snap, checking a whiteboard with today's shipment written on it. Daily duties simplified. Visual: they're at their desk looking at a laptop with import documents, close up of a commercial invoice on the screen. Pointing to the screen, first we check every shipment's papers, what the goods, where are they from, how much are they worth.
Then we head to the warehouse to make sure the actual goods match the papers. No fakes, no surprises.
Visual: roll of them walking through a warehouse, pointing to boxes of household appliance stacked neatly. Camera: this shipment is from a local importer, Mrs. Cruz. We're here to verify the goods before customs clears them. Let's take a box and check up the value. The scenarios: misdeclared goods. Visual: they back at the office, Ben holding a price list on his phone, Leah looking at the importer invoice.
Browning. Wait a second. Look, Mrs. Cruz. Declared each appliance is worth of 5,000 pesos, but this price list must from the supplier says it's 10,000 pesos each.
Whoa, that's a big difference. If the value is lower, she pays less tax and duties. That misdeclaration. Visual: Leah calls Mrs. Cruz on speakerphone, on screen text. The difficult call. Mr. Cruz voice over phone. Oh, Leah, is everything okay with the shipment? Mrs. Cruz, we noticed the declared value is half the actual cost. Did you make a mistake or did you do that on purpose? Mrs. Cruz, nervous. I needed to save money. My business is struggling. Can you just let it slide? Nobody will know.
We can do that. This is against the rules.
I'm sorry, but let's talk about how to fix this legally. Resolving it: law, deontology, virtue ethics. Visual: they both talking directly to the camera, sitting side by side. Law, simple explanation. On-screen text: law, what's required?
First, the law. The Customs Modernization Act R 863 says you have to declare the true value of goods. This declaration is fraud. Ms. Cruz could give fine and we could lose our license if we don't report it.
So we told her to file a corrected invoice with the real value, then we'll submit it to customs. So she pays the right tax, no shortcuts. Deontology, duty-based. On-screen text, duty, doing what's right. This is about duty. Our job is just to help importers. It's to protect the country tax system. Even if Mrs. Cruz is struggling, we have to follow the rules because it's the right thing to do, not because we're scared of getting in trouble.
Yeah, if we let this slide, it's not fair to the other brokers who pay their full dues.
Virtue ethics, moral characters. On-screen text, character, honesty, and care.
For us, it's also about who we are. We try to be honest so we can lie about the value, integrity, stick to our principles even when someone asks us to bend them and accountable. We're responsible for making sure things are done right.
We didn't just say no. We helped her fix it. We worked with customs to give her extra time to pay the tax so her business doesn't suffer too much. Visual. Role of Mrs. Cruz. Signing the corrected invoice, Leah submitting it online to customs. Closing. Visual. They're back at their desk smiling at the camera.
So that's our day. Paperwork, warehouse checks, and sometimes through calls, but doing it ethically makes all the difference.
At the end of the day, Mrs. Cruz shipments was cleared legally and she's glad she didn't get in trouble. Win-win.
Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want to know more about customs work. See you next time.
Visual. End screen with vlog title and like and subscribe from production tips, simple and easy.